Nathan, turn around. Turn around. Look at the tree. Who came last night?
Santa.
Yeah. What do you see?
Santa. Santa come.
Yeah, and what did he do? What did he bring?
Where are all those?
What a present. Santa sits here.
Yeah. Did Santa put anything in your stocking? Focus your stocking.
You can take it out there. Take it out on the floor and look.
What are those? Are those slippers for your feet? Yeah. What else is in there?
Candy. Candy.
Yeah. Well, we'll save that one for later. What else did Santa put in your stocking?
Look, nothing. Elmo.
Is that an Elmo movie?
Can we turn the TV on?
Maybe we'll watch it in a little bit, sweetie. We have a lot to do this morning. Look at all those presents. What else is in your stocking? I know there's more. What is that?
It's really stuck. Hey, I don't read it.
Nathan, is there anything else in your stocking? Nathan, is there anything else in your stocking? What else is in your stocking?
Nothing.
Oh, I don't know. This doesn't sound like nothing. What are those?
Hey, I call Legos.
Yeah, I think there's something else in there. What else is in there? In the very bottom. There's one more thing in your stocking, Nathan. It's in the very bottom. Dig all the way down.
Dig all the way down. What can Nathan got?
What did Nathan get? Help? Help you?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a car. And there's driver in the car.
Is that a fire truck?
Is that a little fire truck?
Yeah. And the fire truck. And can we open it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, buddy. What do you say we get you some milk and a vitamin? And then Mommy's going to feed Jessie. And when we're done, we can open presents. What do you think? Look at me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right.